What's the meaning of buffer? Buffer. Buffer.
Buffer. Buffer. In computing, a buffer refers to a temporary storage space that is used to hold data while it is being moved from one place to another. Buffers can be found in a wide range of computer systems and applications, and they are used for many different purposes. One common use of buffers is to mitigate the effects of slow or variable data transfer rates, by temporarily storing and queuing up data until it can be processed or transferred at a faster rate. This can help to improve overall system efficiency and prevent errors or data loss. Overall, buffers play a critical role in many aspects of modern computing, and are an essential component of many software and hardware systems.